GoPro Hero 10. This is power-packed Hero 10 Black, an amazing camera which is powered by the revolutionary GP2 processor, delivering high frame rates and a fast, smooth user interface. The GP2 processor is at the heart of this incredible camera, enabling it to capture stunning footage with lightning-fast speed. With Hero 10, you can achieve unreal frame rates, ensuring that your videos are incredibly smooth and lifelike. Hero 10 Black shoots in 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second, and you can even go up to 4K at a mind-blowing 120 frames per second. Plus, it captures stunning 23 megapixel photos. Say goodbye to shaky footage. Hero 10 Black features advanced Hypersmooth 4.0 video stabilization, ensuring your videos are buttery smooth, no matter the activity. Don't be afraid to take your Hero 10 Black on aquatic adventures. It's waterproof down to 33 feet. The Hero 10 Black also excels in low light conditions, delivering stunning 19.6 megapixel frame grabs from your videos. And if you're a fan of slow motion, you'll love this. Hero 10 Black offers Super 8x slow-mo at an astonishingly high 2.7K resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured in slow motion. Rest easy with your purchase, as the Hero 10 Black comes with a reliable warranty, providing you with peace of mind. Let's see what's in the box. The Hero 10 Black is the ultimate action camera that empowers you to capture your adventures like never before. So unleash your creativity and document your world in breathtaking detail. Go grab yours at Amazon.